Hello everybody, this video is about sequences and series. So let's see what is sequences and series. So your sequence can be like this: 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, and this can go till infinity. And what will be the series? Series will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot dot, and we can add it till infinity. So sequence is your sequence of numbers, and series is the summation of the elements of the sequence. So we are going to learn two types of sequence in this video. That will be, first will be your AP and second will be your GP, where your AP means arithmetic progression, and your GP means geometric progression. So let's see what is your AP and GP. So I have taken a sequence here, that is an AP. So this AP increases by 1. You can see that elements are increasing by 1. This is 1, and here 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 is 3. So this sequence is increasing by 1, and you can say that AP is a type of sequence that increases or decreases with same amount. You can say this. And now we can say that what is the first term in this sequence. So we denote first term as a, and this will be equal to 1. And now we will see difference between the two consecutive terms. Means if we 5 minus 4 will be 1, and 4 minus 3 will be 1, and 3 minus 2 will also equal to 1, and 2 minus 1 will also equal to 1. It means that for every two consecutive terms a difference is common, that is said as common difference, and will be denoted by this small d. So we can write it as d is equal to 1. This is what? This is your common difference. For every two consecutive terms you are getting a difference 1. So if you want to find 10th term of this AP, so how can we find? So for that we have formula for nth term, that is nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So common difference of this AP we find out as 1, and first term of this AP is 1. So if you want to find 10th term of this AP, so let's just substitute the values. So first term is 1, and we want to find a 10th term. So our n will be 10. So 10 minus 1 into d, d is our 1. So let's solve this. We will get 1 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, and this is your 1. So this will be 1 plus 9 ones are 9. So you will get 10. So what will be our 10th term of this AP? 10th term of this AP we got as a 10. So we were having this AP 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma dot dot dot. So if we want to find a summation of these numbers that are in this sequence, so how we can find? So for that we have a formula of summation of n terms, that is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how this formula got created, let's see. So we have to find a summation of n terms. So that will be like we are adding first term, then second term will be a plus d. Why this will be a plus d? Since two terms have common difference of d, so the next term will be a plus d. Then the third term will be a plus 2d. This is your third term, and this is your second term, and this is your first term. So the nth term will be equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we write Sn as, we can also write Sn starting from the last term. Last term you have a plus n minus 1 into d. then the your term will be a plus n minus 2 into d. Then this will go till first term, that is your a. So if we add these two equations, what we will get? We will get 2Sn, and that will be equal to, if we add this value and this value, then you can see that you have 2a, and you will get as 2a minus n minus 1 into d. Then if we add this and this, then also you will get same like this. So let's add them. So here you will get 2a, then you will get plus n minus 1 into d. You are getting n minus 1 into d because you have 1d here and you have n minus 2d here, so it get converted to n minus 1 into d. Then if we add till like this, so for last value we will get same, we will get the same value like 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this we have n terms in this sequence, so this 2a plus n minus 1 into d will also be n times, so that can be written as 2Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if we further simplify, we will get, so we will get 2Sn is equal to n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let's take 2 to the right hand side of the equal sign. So you will get n by 2 and into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you got summation of n terms, this value. This is your formula for the summation of n terms. So we have a question here. This is our AP, and we have to find summation of tandems of this AP. So since you know that a summation of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. So let's substitute the values. So you will get here 10 by 2 into 2. What is our first term in of this AP? Is 1. So plus, so we have to find summation for tandems. So 10 minus 1 into d. What is our common difference is 1. So if we simplify it, since you will get here 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So you got here 5, then 2 ones are 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 and into 1. So summation of tandems will be, we will get by simplifying this. Let's simplify it here. So you have 5 into 2 plus 9. So this will be your 5 into 2 plus 9 is 11. So this will be 11 5s are 55. So you got a summation of tandems as 55. So we got to know about AP. Let's see about GP. That is your geometric progression. I'm writing a GP here, a geometric progression. So you have to pay attention to this. So I'm writing here 1, then I'm multiplying it by 2. So I got 1 into 2 is 2. Then again I'm multiplying it by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Then 16 2s are 32. So this process can be continued. So what I am doing here, I am multiplying the first term by 2. Then second term also by 2. Then third term also by 2. So what I can say is our common ratio R is what our common ratio. So common ratio of this GP is equal to 2. So what is this common ratio concept? If we take two consecutive terms, for example 16 divided by 8, and if we do 4 divided by 2, so we will get same value, that is same ratio, that is 2. How? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, or 2 ones are 2, or 2 4, or 2 twos are 4. So we are getting same common ratio for all the consecutive terms. So our common ratio is equal to 2. Then if we want to find nth term of this GP, so for that there is a formula. Let's see in on the another page. So we have this GP. So if we want to find nth term, let's consider 10th term. So formula for that is nth term is equal to a into r raised to n minus 1. So our first term is 1. Then our common ratio for this GP is equal to 2. So I will write here 2, and we have to find nth term. So this will be 10 minus 1. So I will get it as 1 into 2 raised to 10 minus 1 is 9. So I will get it here 1 into 2 raised to 9 we have to find. So let's simplify this. We will get, and 10th term has 2 into 2, we have to write it 9 times. So this is your 3 times, then this is your 3 times, and now this is your 3 times. So 3 times, if we multiply 2, we will get what? 8. This is also 8 and this is also 8. If we multiply it again, what we will get? 8 8s are 64, and 64 8s are is what? 8 4s are 32, and 8 6 are is 48, 49, 50, 51. So what we got? We got 10th term has 5 1 12. So this is your 10th term of this GP. So if this is your GP, and we have to find summation of 10 terms of this GP, so how we can find? So for this we have formula, that is summation of n terms of this GP is equal to your first term into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r, where r is your common ratio of this GP. So common ratio of this GP is equal to 2, and first term of this GP is equal to 1. So let's substitute this value to this formula. So this is our summation of 10 terms. First term is our 1, and this will be 1 minus 2 raised to 10 divided by 1 minus 2. So let's simplify it. Then we will get S10 is equal to 1. Then we were having 1 minus 2 raised to 10, and in the denominator 1 minus 2. So this will be equal to 1 into 1 minus, so 2 raised to 10 will be equal to, previously we got 5 and 12 for 2 raised to 9. So for 2 raised to 10 we have to again multiply it by 2. So we will get 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. So 2 raised to 10 we will get 1024, and in the denominator we will get 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So now we will get it 1 minus 1024 is minus 1023, and in the denominator also you have minus 1. So this minus minus will get cancelled, and summation of 10 terms you will get 1023. So this is your summation of 10 terms of the GP. So let's see how this summation formula got created. If we want to add terms of the GP, you have this first term, then your second term is A into R, then your third term is AR square, and your nth term is AR raised to n minus 1. So summation of this, let's take it as Sn. So this will be equal to A plus AR square, then plus dot 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 AR raised to n minus 1. So let's multiply by r on both sides. Then we will get ra plus ar square plus ar cube plus dot dot dot. This will like ar raised to n, since we are multiplying r to both sides. Then let's subtract this two equations with each other. Then we will get their sign of the equation. This sign will change. Then let's solve it. Then you can see that here you have plus AR and here you have minus AR, so this will get cancelled. Similarly, this AR square and AR square will get cancelled since the sign is plus and minus here. So in the same way, all the terms will get cancelled, and the terms that you will be left with will be this A and this AR raised to n. So you can write here as A minus AR raised to n, and you are having here Sn minus R into Sn. So let's simplify this. Then you will get, let's take Sn common, and you are left with 1 minus R, that is equal to, and let's take A common, so you are left with 1 minus R raised to n. So if we further simplify this, so you will get Sn into 1 minus R is equal to A 1 minus R raised to n. So your summation of n terms will be A into 1 minus R raised to n divided by 1 minus R. So this was the formula for your summation of n terms of the GP. So in this video we got to know about sequences and series, what is sequence and what is series, and we also learned about AP and GP, that are a type of sequences. Let's remember few points about AP. In AP you have first term has A and it is having common difference D, and nth term is written as A plus n minus 1 into D, and summation, for summation of n terms you have formula n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And for GP you have concepts like your first term is the same, denoted by this small letter a, and you have common ratio here, and nth term in this GP you have a into r raised to n minus 1, and summation of n terms you have is a into 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. So in this video we learned about AP and GP. I hope you liked this video.